In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poster in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get started. Choose a great foundation, add your content, fine-tune the look, and make sure the size and orientation fit your needs. Begin by opening Adobe Express. On the home screen, select Create, then choose Poster. This takes you into a poster workspace with preset dimensions and an intuitive set of tools along the side. If you're new to Adobe Express, don't worry. The interface is designed to be beginner-friendly, and everything you add can be moved, resized, and edited at any time. From here, decide whether you want to start from a template or from a blank canvas. Templates give you a quick head start with professionally designed layouts, helpful if you want a polished look fast. Browse a few, preview how your text and images could fit, and pick one that matches the tone you're going for. Prefer full creative control? Choose a blank canvas and begin with a clean slate. Either way, you can change anything later, so just pick the option that feels most comfortable. Now add your content. Use the text tool to place your main headline, subheading, and any supporting details. Keep your headline short and clear so it's easy to read from a distance. Bring in images, either your own or from the built-in libraries, to create visual impact. Add icons to highlight key points or to reinforce your theme, and use shapes to build structure, such as banners, boxes, or simple dividers that help organize information. As you place elements, watch for alignment guides. They help you keep everything neat and balanced. Next, customize the fonts, colors, and layout to match your style. Aim for a clear hierarchy. A bold, readable font for the headline, something complementary for body text, and consistent sizes that guide the viewer's eye. Stick to a limited palette so the design feels cohesive, and make sure there's strong contrast between text and background for legibility. Adjust spacing, refine alignment, and consider grouping related items so the layout feels intentional. If you're using a template, replace placeholder content and tweak the palette and type to make it your own. Finally, adjust the size or orientation if needed. Switch between portrait and landscape depending on where the poster will appear, and choose dimensions that suit your use case. After resizing, scan your layout to ensure nothing shifts awkwardly. Nudge elements back into place so everything remains balanced and easy to read. That's it. You've created a clean, customized poster in Adobe Express.